complete details, complete information, including benefits involved in this scholarship and departments offering scholarship, and what are the requirements and what are the documents to be needed, and extra documents required for applying this scholarship. Everything mentioned here. Let me explain. King Fahd University Scholarship 2024. This is the university which was founded in 1963, and it is the world-class university, and this is the fourth among all Saudi Arabian universities. It is ranked as number 4. The complete information of King Fahd University is listed below. It offers master and PhD degrees, scholarship which are fully funded scholarships, and you have to stay in Saudi Arabia and on campus scholarship type, and deadline for these scholarships are June 29, 2024. The make sure this is the deadline of the scholarship, June 29, 2024. What are the benefits included in this scholarship? You will get the whole tuition free. You don't have to pay any extra tuition fee. Along with that free tuition, university will help you with context of your monthly fee for your living expenses in the form of real. They will give you 2000, 3000 depends upon the university policy of the department. They will give you respective amount each month. This will be your monthly stipend to bear your expenses. And third point is free air conditioning housing they will give you. In case if you are with your family, they will give you family hostels. They are also giving family hostels to the married couples. They will also give you essential medical care, free textbooks, and contract including prepaid flight ticket for the first journey and return ticket for and teacher upon and also sponsored dinner in the university restaurants are also free for you. University participation and skills in research and writing. University participation and skills in research and writing and fully funded projects are free for you, and additional perks are based on the university policies. These policies can be changed with the passage of time. Departments which are offering scholarship at King Fahd University are including Accounting Department, Aerospace Engineering Department, Applied Statistics, Architecture Engineering, Business Administration, Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, City and Regional Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Computer Engineering, Computer Networks, Computer Science, Construction Engineering and Management, Electrical Engineering, Environmental Sciences, Geology, Geophysics. What are the requirements for if you are applying for master's degree program? You have to complete your 4-year bachelor's degree, means you have completed your 16 years of education, and 3 GPA at least or more than 3 out of 4 or comparable to this GPA system. And if you are applying for PhD program, you should have completed your 18-year education or your MS degree after 4-year BS degree, and minimum of 3 GPA out of 4. More GPA will be good as a merit for your selection. And now coming to the what are the documents required for this scholarship? These documents are your national ID card for Saudi nationals and passports for non-Saudi applicants. And finalize official documentation. You should have your all the official documentations, including your degrees, your CNIC, your passport, and everything. Your English proficiency letter. A BS transcript is required for master program. After submitting online application, your education referee will send 3 letters of recommendation through the system. You should have to submit one-page statement of purpose which should outline your research objectives and activities at FUPM. Optional white passport backdrop image should be for ladies. A CV summarizes your education and work experience should be attached with the application, and GMAT for MBA international applicants. And at the end, if you are applying, you should have these four documents must along with you before applying. Research proposal. What is the proposal of your research which you are going to conduct in King Fahd University, and you should have the plan for thesis writing. Also, along with that, you should have the study plan. In what duration you will complete your research, your work, your coursework, and research. And SOP, statement of purpose. This should also be attached with your application. And at the end, cover letter or motivational letter and any other relative document should be attached with all these. And this is the all information of King Fahd University, and you can apply on the official website of King Fahd University, Saudi Arabia. You may go to the website. Here you can see the website of King Fahd University, and here is the option of register now at the university website. You can click on this option, or you can also contact Dr. Muhammad Mazhar Hussain. He is the graduate advisor of Chemical Engineering Department. His contact number and email is mentioned there. You can contact him